It's so little. Y'all blend y'all whole face out with this? Like, for real, Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's WORLDOFZACH, and I'm back for another video. And in today's video, you guys, like, I'm actually so excited to film this video. I had no clue what I was gonna film. Like, it's been a while since y'all seen me. The last time y'all saw me, you know, the little slime green hair situation was popping. Thank you so much for the love on that video. And if you're new from that video, thank you guys so much for showing so much love to that video. I told y'all like my hair videos. I knew it. I told y'all y'all wasn't gonna get rid of me, honey.
She's here. She's thriving. Hello.
But yeah, you guys, thanks so much for that video. It's gonna be linked down below, the slime green hair video. I'm probably putting a picture here so you can see. Go watch that video. But thank you for tuning into this one. You're great. I love and appreciate you for tuning into this here programming on this here screen. Thank you. Go ahead and click. Whew. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. I got the picture right here, you guys, so y'all can go ahead and know what to click on and everything like that. I don't know what just happened a few seconds ago. The Holy Spirit just came into me and wanted me to tell you guys that, I guess. I don't know. But I got the picture here, so go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Click the bell so you get notified every single time that I post. Me and my flyaways are here, you guys, and I'm excited to bring this video to you guys because I no joke, believe it or not, I have never ever used a beauty blender, like, ever since, like, for real. I've been doing makeup for 2 years now. I know y'all probably thought it was about to be like years. No, I've been only doing makeup for about 2 years now, and I've never ever used an actual beauty blender. I've been using the Real Technique sponge. I know it look a little gross, and I just haven't. I'm disgusting. Period. But usually I use my Real Technique sponge or my Japanese sponge, which are both really good. But I don't really use them for like to blend out my foundation. For blending my foundation, I would say for maybe like the past year now or something like that, I've been using my Morphe Y6 brush. Before that, I was using another foundation brush. I've been using brushes as far as I remember to apply my foundation and my concealer to blend it out. Even like when I used to blend out my concealer, I think I go in with the actual concealer brush from BH Cosmetics to blend it out, but I don't wear concealer anymore, so I don't really do that anyway. But I've really actually never used an actual beauty blender because like I think they retail for like $20 and they got them kind of fun. $7, 6 bones, 20. But you guys, America, my homegirl, you guys probably know her from my video, like how I met an angel and whatnot. If you follow me on social media, you know who America is. For my birthday, my birthday was November 2nd, you guys. Thank you for all the birthday wishes and all the love that you guys showed me on my Instagram, my DMs and such like that. I really appreciate everything. But America got me a beauty blender, and I'm gonna show you guys what she said on there if you guys can read that and see. So funny, it says, stop using knockout beauty blenders, LOL. Because I had just told her, like, I was like, bruh, I don't even like I've never used beauty blender, like an actual one. So I've legit never used one of these little bad boys before. This is what the beauty blender looks like. It is so tiny. It's so bright and cute and stuff. Like, okay, I mean, it's so little. Y'all blend y'all whole face out with this? Like, for real, I've never used one of these. It's so tiny, though. It's little and cute and stuff. Like, is this the mini one? I know they got those small ones. What the small ones look like? My hand's just that big. So, yeah, guys, basically, I want to see, like, I'm going to do my makeup for you guys and let you guys see live and in action. I really like them to edit the hell out of this video or whatever, but you know what I'm saying? Kind of live and whatnot, realistic, but y'all here with me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah. But I'm going to be using the beauty blender for the first time, and I'm going to see if it's better than my Morphe Y6 brush, which is like my tried and true, makes my foundation look bomb flawless. Any formula, any kind of foundation, honey, she looks bomb. No streaks, no nothing, just fire. Slayed, honey. Yes. Pay my bills. Sugar daddy, are you coming to me? Skin flawless. Morphe Y6 brush, no streaks. Period. It's good. Period. I'm so annoying. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet this joint up. I'll be right back. All right, now, so she's definitely a grower, not a shower. So today I'm gonna be taking my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. Oh, I need to prime before. Calm down, Zach. You're rushing. Slow it down. Period. I'm gonna go take the NYX Angel. Can I not say period? If I say period one more time in this video, just go ahead and just come clock me. Please. Please. Thank you. I'm gonna be taking the NYX Angel Veil Primer and prime my face up real quick because I want to give it a fair chance, and I love this primer so much. Just rub that on. I love the NYX Angel Veil Primer. If you guys have not tried the Angel Veil Primer, it's really, really good. So this is the Hourglass Veil Primer, which is incredible and works on every skin type. It just makes your skin look amazing. And the Angel Veil Primer from NYX Cosmetics, which is much cheaper, like that one, the small one, is like $24. So the primer is pretty expensive from the Hourglass line, and their foundation that goes along with it is really good too. But the primer itself works so well with other foundations, and along with the NYX one too, girl. Like this one right here, she's a little cheaper, like the dupe version for it. It gives you like that little purple gray cast on your skin, but it doesn't dry your skin out. Like it blurs the skin and mattifies it, but hydrates it and just makes it look good without that silicone feeling and without like your skin like being like flaky and peely. It just kind of gives your skin like a weird color cast, but it's worth it because it look cute. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got me. Period. So I'm gonna go in next with the NARS foundation, the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade New Caledonia. And I believe I see people like they spray it, like not spray it, but they pump it on the booty of the beauty blender, whatever the people like to call it. I should have did nails, because the girls be on Instagram with the nails and stuff like that, and they hold the beauty blender like this, like with like their claws and stuff. Be real cute, like on the video. Y'all know some of the Instagram videos and stuff, but I ain't got time for that. No. So I'm gonna do, I think that's like 2 pumps I just did on there. I think so. I don't really know. So I'm just gonna start here. Y'all ready? Oh my God, I'm so excited. America, you watching? America, you watching? I'm excited, sis. Hold on. Is that it? Okay. Yeah, this is what this is what the YouTubers be doing. Okay. They've been blended out like this. Okay. Do y'all hear that? It's a little ASMR situation right now. Can y'all hear what it's doing? I feel like it's gripping onto my stubble. There's no weird smell from the beauty blender. The grower, not shower. Voila, shot koala. Okay. Okay, wait, let me get an up close look at this situation. I need to, okay, I'm sorry. I had to get an up close look at the situation, see what's really going on right here. And this foundation alone already looks like my skin, which is why I love it so much. But I think it's blending out really nicely. It looks really lightweight. It looks more lightweight than it usually does on my skin. Right here. So this is my face blended out with the beauty blender with one layer, like a little 1.5, I would say 1.5, maybe 2 pumps of foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe White Sticks brush and add about the same amount of foundation onto the brush and apply this to the side of the face. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I would say the brush is so much faster, personally for me, because I can just pretty much go like this and boom. Huh. Ready? Okay, so don't know what that was for. So when we cancel, y'all know I'm extra. All right, you guys, so I have, this is the beauty blender side here, and this is the Morphe White Sticks brush side. Which side looks better in you guys' opinion? Let me know right now. I haven't done any finessing to it, haven't done anything else to my face, haven't contoured or anything like that, but right off the bat, let's see. I'm gonna look up close myself and see the difference. Let's see. Looking at my skin, I would say in a good way, you can tell that I'm wearing foundation on this side because you can see more of the coverage and such over here. Like everything is kind of almost covered here. This side looks more like my skin because I already know from sponges in general, because it's not the first time I ever used a beauty sponge, but it's one of the reasons why I don't like using sponges for foundation, because it takes away some of the product and whatnot. Like I need to go with another pump here. I use just about the same amount, if not less, on the brush, and I was able to spread that all the way down to my neck. As you can see here, I wasn't able to move that product to my neck on this side with the beauty blender, so I need to go in with the brush here and make sure my 5 o'clock shadow is covered up, honey. You know, she's a man. Working man. So real quick, before I give y'all like the rest of the spill situation, like we can come and discuss, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and use the beauty blender on the rest of my face, and I'm probably gonna speed through it real quick so you guys can just see what I'm doing, cause it's just really basic situation that I'm about to do. So just go ahead and watch, and then we can talk in a minute, you know what I'm saying? Just watch, girl, enjoy. So usually like around this little general gang, like, you know, come together, come to Jesus meeting, spot of my face is where things get a little bit, not bumpy, but they just like to congregate right there and like separate a little bit or something like that, you know what I'm saying? So usually I take my blush brush and go in like and dab that and blend it out. But I'm gonna try this beauty blender, give her some little shine or whatever, give her a little moment and test her out, see what I can really use her for, you know? See what I can make this $20 worth. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend it out and see what she can do for me right there. Can she kind of help it look a little bit more skin-like? Can she help her get into my skin, honey? And yes, it's still a little bit damp still. How you should be using a sponge, obviously. Yeah, I think so. I mean, for me at least, like from what I can see, yeah, it's helping the product blend into my skin a lot more without taking my highlight away. It just kind of helped everything blend more seamlessly. All right, you guys, so I'm back with the full look completed. My eyes are so big just then, but you guys, it's completed look and everything like that. I honestly, personally, think that this makeup looks great. My skin looks pretty good on both sides. You really honestly wouldn't be able to tell the difference that much. I mean, that's because I finessed it or whatever. It's me, whatever, you know, pro makeup artist, MUA, it's in my bio linked, and period official, period what's good. I just said period at least 5 times. I'm clocked myself. But you guys, for real though, I think the beauty blender is actually pretty cute. Will I use it every day for my foundation? Probably not, just because I'm so attached to my brush and I love it so much. But you may see me using this for my foundation or like maybe just my powders or something like that. Like, I'm incorporating this into my system. One, because I have it, it's here now. I'm not trying to let $20 go to waste. Thank you, America, for sending me this. I think the beauty blender is dope. I think I was missing out on something like amazing and whatnot. Maybe because it was pretty good. I mean, like, I like the way to apply my powder and everything like that. It's an easy to use sponge. It's very fluffy. It blended everything really beautifully. Actually, you know what? Thinking about it now, whenever I use my Real Technique sponge, the reason why I switched to a brush primarily from my Real Technique sponges is because I noticed I would get patches and whatnot, and it just wasn't as beautiful and seamless. That actually went on really nicely. So, beauty blender, sister, I see you. Your foundation shade range though, I'm not gonna discuss it, but I still love the brand and whatnot, and I think the beauty blender is iconic. I think it's Allure's like #1 beauty blender and whatnot still to this date. So shout out to them for that. $20. If you don't have one, I do suggest you go get one. This is a pretty fun random video to film you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe down below. Like I said, click that bell button, share this video with people, because you know we're trying to grow this little family and whatnot. like I said, I really hope you guys did enjoy this. It's really random. I kind of just wanted to show you guys like one of my birthday gifts, and I'm happy I'm wearing the Huda Beauty palette. I don't know which palette this is. This is the Coral Obsessions palette. I'm wearing on my eyes today and a little bit on my blush situation here. And I'm just really excited. Thank you, America, for this once again. I do appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Here I am talking, rambling more. So I'll see you guys in this upload. I love you guys so much. Bye, guys.